want to give you a real quick tour of my garden. The first plant is a fruitless potato plant. It's just here because it's beautiful and produces pretty flowers for the bees. Next we have a strawberry, and then an acorn squash, another strawberry, another acorn squash, and then we have a wandering Jew, which is for flowers also, and finally a little squash that's struggling. This is my rosemary, which I use rosemary tea every day. My squash, zucchini. This is the plant from which that zucchini came. I'm fighting powdery mildew on this plant. I've been cutting the leaves back every few days. I come out, I spray it with baking soda. It's supposed to kill it. And it looks better than it did. But the fruit is growing just beautifully. This is that kale I showed you. It's really a beautiful plant, and the leaves seem to have an extra little piece on them. I'm not sure why that is. These are tiny Tim tomatoes, and this is the weirdest thing. It was so bushy and producing so well that I broke plant growth, but they grow into a real bush instead of a tomato vine. This is my collard plant where I just got all those beautiful collards off of. You can see that the leaves are just absolutely beautiful. I'm not having a problem with bugs on my collards right now, which is really wonderful. This is my other kale. I have a couple of kale plants. I do like kale. This one blends up really good when you're making a smoothie. And these are my cauliflower, but they went to seed. So I picked all the cauliflower. And I was gonna cut down the bush this morning, and I noticed that the greens were growing back at the base. And very interestingly, you can eat the cauliflower leaves, and so I decided to let it keep growing. Now these are my mustards. They were so huge, and we ate mustards for a couple of months with the collards. This is supposed to be a Brussels sprout, but we'll see what happens. I thought I had a Brussels sprout before, and it turned out to be a collard. And this is a cantaloupe. It has two in the basket, and I have to take one out so they don't crowd each other. These are my turnip greens. I'm trying to let them grow, but these are called sunchokes. This is my broccoli, poor little broccoli. It produced broccoli flowerets, those small broccolis, and they're going to seed. Here are a few pictures of what the garden looked like in March, and when it was in full bloom. We had such big plants, and I put my hand next to it so you could get a good image of how big the plants were. Anyway, that's it for my garden tour. Thanks for watching.